kagawaran po, ang Department of Justice is formally announcing that it offering a 1 million peso reward for credible, actionable information that will directly lead to the lawful discovery, location, and subsequent arrest by authorized law enforcement agent of Cassandra Leong, who is presently the subject of an ongoing criminal proceedings before the Regional Trial Court of Pasig City. Itong bagay na to, naglagak po ng kaukulang pondo ang Department of Justice para po mapanagot natin at mahirap natin sa korte si Miss Ong. Batid naman po natin sa nakalipas ay may kakayanan sila, di ba? May kakayanan na umikot, malaw, makalabas at pumasok ng Pilipinas na hindi natutukoy ng ating mga kalaman. Ito po ay bahagi para po madala natin siya sa korte para umusad na yung kaso laban kay Miss Ong.